Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to do an update query in Access. So here I've got Persuasion, and mistakenly I've put in the author ID 1, which is Charles Dickens, and actually, as all you scholars will know, Persuasion was written by Jane Austen. So we want to change this to 3. Now we could do that in the table here, but actually it's quite good to do it programmatically using SQL. So I'm going to create here a new query in Design. I'm going to add the table books because that's where the error occurred. Okay, and I'm going to find the book Persuasion by using the criteria of the ISB number. Okay, and when I run that up here, okay, we can see that the ISBN number comes up. Perhaps we need a little bit more in terms of, let's go back to the design view, and maybe we can put the title in there as well. Okay, so we're just sure that we're absolutely getting the right book back. Yeah, we've got the Persuasion, and in fact, let's add one more field to that, which is the author. Okay, you can actually do this programmatically as well. So I'm going to type in tbooks dot author underscore ID, and hopefully if I run that, I'll see the ID is 1. Okay, well that's no good, is it? We really want that to be 3. So we head back into our SQL view. Okay, now we want to turn this into a delete query. So to do that, we need to type in delete. Okay, and then we don't need anything after that. So we've now got delete, and what we're going to do now is put into here. So actually we don't want a delete query at all, we want an update query. So I'm going to do update t underscore books. Okay, so that is going to update the table books, and we're going to use the keyword set author ID equals 3, where, I'm just going to get rid of some of these brackets so that they don't confuse us too much, where the ISBN number, let's use single quotes because that's the correct way to do it. Okay, where the correct, there we are, or update tbooks set author ID equals 3, where tbooks equals that. Now if we run this query, we should set the author ID to 3. So let's see if that works. There we are, we're about to update one row, good. And then if we look in books, we'll see here, okay, that our author ID is now 3. Great. And if we ran our query, yeah, that does that author ID 1. If we set it back to 1, you can run this query again. Okay, so head into design and run. Okay, about to update the fields, and so I can quite nicely toggle them. There we are, author ID 1. So armed with this, I'm going to set it to the correct value now. There it is. So I've set it to 3. That's it. Armed with this, you can now find various bits of information, and you can do it on multiple records as well. So you could change all of a particular, all the records that fit a particular criteria and set all their values. So if you wanted to update, for example, a date, like the last time something was updated, you could select a whole heap, list of records, and use this query to set fields in bulk, which is very powerful. So that's how we do an update query.